Cooking. It's an art, a science, and a daily necessity. But here's the million-dollar question. What's the best way to cook without losing nutrients? Stay tuned because in just 3 minutes, we'll break down the science and share surprising tips to help you get the most out of your meals. Let's get started. Nutrients are the unsung heroes of our food. Vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, fueling energy, health, and vitality. But cooking can make or break their transfer from food to body. Boiling? Classic, but it leaches water-soluble nutrients like vitamin C and B vitamins, up to 50% down the drain. The fix? Steam instead of boil. Steaming locks in nutrients while keeping veggies vibrant and delicious. It's fast, easy, and perfect for busy kitchens. Grilling and roasting bring bold flavors, but watch the heat. High temps can destroy delicate nutrients like vitamin C. Use moderate heat and shorten cook times. Try baking in foil or parchment to trap moisture and nutrients. Love stir-frying? Good news. Quick, high-heat cooking preserves nutrients better than slow methods. Just go light on the oil. It's about balance. Pair with protein for a nutrient-packed meal in minutes. Microwaving? It's a nutrient retention champ. Its quick, low-water process keeps up to 90% of nutrients intact. Pro tip: cook with a lid on to trap steam and lock in goodness. Also, fresh produce is great, but frozen works too. Flash freezing preserves nutrients when fresh isn't available. The key is using what fits your lifestyle while maximizing nutrition. So, there you have it. Top ways to cook without losing nutrients: steaming, moderate grilling, stir-frying, and even microwaving. Your kitchen is your lab, and now you've got the science to cook smarter. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more eye-opening content. Check out our other videos for more health and well-being hacks. There's always something new to learn. Thanks for watching. See you next time.